ladies and gentlemen, would like to tell you all about the second fireside chat of the evening, which focuses on the future of computing and channel growth. So Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, again, one more time, will moderate this thought-provoking discussion. Joining him on stage are visionary leaders shaping the distribution and IT ecosystem. So I would like to take the names one by one. Please join me on the stage, sir. Mr. Ashish Sawant, National Sales Manager, Volume and Distribution Business, AMD. Come on, everybody. Next for this panel, would like to invite Mr. Vikrant Gupta, Associate Director, Sales, MOQ and GT, Acer, India. Mr. Kalpesh Chande, Director, Strategic Sales, Lenovo, India. Come on, everybody, please put your hands together for them. Together, they will deliberate on the topic Future of Computing, AI, Innovation and Channel Growth and explore how AMD is powering the PC ecosystem in the AI era, discuss strategies for channel growth and share their vision on technology partnerships that are redefining computing in India.
Thank you so much, and thanks all of you for accepting this is big one, because I was waiting for this fireside chat because this is something we all would like to know, because in the last 2 years we all know how AI has made an impact on the laptop and the PC market, and we have all the soul is here. Lenovo is here and Acer, the all leading market players are here. So अभी fun होने वाला और बहुत ही information हमें मिलने वाली हैं इन लोगों से. So first of all, thank you so much for joining this.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, AMD का नाम तो सुनते ही पहले गेमर्स या हाई एंड यूजर्स की लोगों में बात आती थी, बट नाउ इट्स एवरीवेयर. लैपटॉप हो, सर्वर हो, SMBs हो और इवन डेटा सेंटर, हर जगह AMD का जो सोल्यूशन है वो यूज हो रहा है. Tell us, how did AMD flip the game in the last few years? आशीष जी, आपको बताना है.
Thanks Rajiv for having us, first thing. Second thing is, yes, gamers की choice तो आज भी हम है. We are still the number one. If you go on
That's
to
true.
the
Let's
next
clap for this, because they are dominating since long.
If you go to the next generation, the generation is coming up, the new age. So AMD is the first choice when it comes to gaming. But we didn't stop there, basically. Okay, we went back a few years back. We went back to the drawing board. We reinvented the wheel. Okay, we invested heavily on R&D. Okay, and we ensured that we get in a product which is disruptive, a channel into the channels and to the customers, which is a disruptive technology product. Okay, at every price point. That was the most important thing that we did, and the most important part was we did not give away on the performance or on the sustainability, because performance is, when you have higher performance, you have higher consumption of power. So sustainability comes into a play. So we have ensured that we give efficient power. Okay, we use, the power is used very efficiently. We developed the product with high security, high performance. We also worked on the most important was building the ecosystem. Okay, we have partners like Acer and Lenovo with us. Okay, and the other OEMs also who have trust in us.
Dell has also joined, so
that have trust in us, and they are joining the wagon. So that was the most important part. More than that, the channel partners. Okay, across the globe, I would say India stands number one there. And with the channel partners, we have ensured that we develop the right channel partners. We give them right trainings. Okay, we help them wherever required. So AMD has stood with partners and will continue to stand with them. Okay, and that's where is the main flip that has happened. So I will tell you, I'm very happy to tell you that today, if you look at, it's not just endpoints, by the way. Okay, it's also on servers. Okay, we are in data centers. So today, even if it's a student's laptop or an SMB customer's small server or the hyperscalers data centers, okay, we are powering everything. Okay, hyperscalers, I would tell you, we command a market share more than 50% today. Okay, you talk about the large hyperscalers, whatever there. So we command 50% and more with on the Epic, overall Epic, we command a market share of 43%. Okay, and with Ryzen's, we still are around 25-27%. So from nowhere, we have grown to this level, and and the sky's limit for us. The trust that the partners are showing will continue, and will continue to deliver there. That's the main film.
obviously the success comes with the partners who are present here and who are watching us live, and also across all India partners, had helped AMD. The right products were placed and they are being now pushed further, and that's the reason. I'll move to our PC, manufacturers, OEMs here. I'll just ask you, Vikant sir, you both work so closely with AMD. Be honest, did customers really started asking for AMD machines on their own, or did you have to push it first? What's been your experience in seeing this shift in last few years?
Be honest.
Yes, please.
If the 4 year back or 5 year back, if you will talk about the brand AMD in a product line, in terms of device, any device like in a desktop or might be being a notebook, server, workstation, anything, I think the customer acceptance was very low. It was a truth. But I respect and acknowledge the effort of AMD team over the last 4 years or 5 years. The way they have built the brand image across India, I think the success story reflect in a market share. Today, AMD is being in a growing month on month, year on year. Even though today, when a customer walk in, you take an example, starting from the student to the SMB customers to the CIOs today, they will be asked the AMD machine now. That means that is a clear story, like the brand has taken a shape now, and the acceptance of AMD
Great.
immense today. This is from my.
This is really an honest answer, because 4 years की पहले की भी बात करी और आज की भी बात कर रहे हैं. So,
एक समय था जब लोग बोलते थे गर्म होता है, हीट होती है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई एम देयर इन द इंडस्ट्री लास्ट 25 years. मैंने वो दिन भी देखे हैं जब नॉर्मली बोलते थे AMD नहीं, ये बहुत गर्म होता है. This is being something. So, but today the change is there.
You want to add, Ashish जी? जो 4 साल वाली पहली.
सर के मैं भी वही बोल रहा था कि यस, वो परसेप्शन हटाने में हमको बहुत एफर्ट्स गए हैं.
बहुत मेहनत लगी.
एंड आई कैन प्राउडली से नाउ, आई मीन विद ऑल कॉन्फिडेंस, कि मुझे कोई प्रूव करके दिखाई गर्म हो रहा है.
Obviously, and that's
So,
a challenge.
yeah.
And the number speaks about, the numbers he told about 40%, 50%. कहाँ लोग सिंगल डिजिट से यहाँ पे आने में इतना वक्त लगाते हैं, and you took very less years to reach this. And
Definitely.
हमें पता है आगे की कहानी. Now I'll move to a brand. We all know Lenovo commercial number PC कितने साल से number 1 brand है, और इनके products जो है काफ़ी reliable माने जाते हैं. So I'll have the same query for you, because it's about how AMD had changed. So how do you see the change in last few years?
So like what you said, at the beginning it was a lot of push from our side, and we used to have a AMD team for even smaller queries. We had to take them to the customers and give a lot of POCs. And then once the started deployment went well, then we started seeing the pull from the market. So like my friend mentioned, garam hota and all those things, we were able to show the value propositions, and the deployments went well. We started seeing the pull from the market, and now we have a segment wherein the customers specifically ask for AMD machines because they have seen the performance, they have seen the value for money and the power efficiency like Ashish mentioned. So what started like a nudge or a push from our side has shifted to a genuine customer demand now. So as a Lenovo, we used to have a mix of 10-15% of AMD. Now currently it is in excess of 30%. So and my estimate is that this current quarter it might even cross 40%. So that's how the AMD is growing. And like people said, the market share proves everything.
Right. So
Thank you, Kalpesh. I
that's
mean,
really great thing to know from OEM partners. Ashish ji, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
yeah, it's a very pride feeling, when your partners are talking about you and they are confident.
वो भी मीडिया के सामने.
Absolutely.
बिल्कुल. ये इन चीज़ को इंडोर्स करता है कि AMD ने कैसे गेम चेंज किया है लास्ट कुछ सालों में. अब AI की बात हो रही है और हमारा ये पूरा टॉपिक AI के ऊपर है कि कैसे AI इनोवेशन ला रहा है, मशीन पावरफुल हो रहा है, प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ रही है. So AI अब एक buzzword नहीं रहा. We all know that it's becoming a daily reality. AMD has been at the forefront of AI PCs with the great processors and all. For our partners here, what exactly makes an AI PC different? Sir, first you.
So I'll tell you, this is a very interesting question, Rajiv, okay? And very good question here. I would tell you, AI और normal PC का जब difference देखना है तो लोग कभी-कभी लगता है कि AI PC is a fattened configuration of a normal PC, but that's not the case, okay? The AI PC, obviously the mind is the most important part. So when AMD launched it, okay, around 3 years back, so we launched an AI PC, so we had the first NPU in the system, okay. अब तक हम CPU की बात कर रहे थे, GPU की बात कर रहे थे, which is already there. We added the first NPU in the system, that is a neural processing unit, okay, which powers the AI. Now what happens on an AI? Everybody uses the chat GPT, okay, everybody will be using some DeepSeek or something, which is there. What do? You put in a data. What happens to the data? The data runs on the cloud, okay, and that's where the results come in. Now ये सब के लिए आपको डेटा ही चाहिए था. आपका डेटा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर आपका डेटा आपके लोकल ड्राइव पे है, okay, so an AI PC can do that activity for you without going on cloud. Okay, it will run everything on your PC, so which will have an enhanced security for you, okay, which is the most important part. So this is the base difference that I would like to tell everybody on that. So
right.
This is how AI PC is also going to move, and that's required. I mean, I would say it does all the job that was been doing in the cloud now on your laptops, on your PCs, on your site. Okay, so you have a security arrangement as well there.
Right. तो मशीन को आपने इतना पावर दे दिया है और इतने ज़्यादा क्विक वो सारा कैलकुलेशन करके लेके आ रहा है. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द यू हैव इन्वेंटेड दोज काइंड ऑफ चिप्स एंड द NPU you are talking so that the processing is very fast and customers' productivity has gone up. So thanks AMD for those innovation you did and we are now enjoying our chat GPT. बहुत सारा काम आसान हो गया. I know सबका आसान हो गया होगा थोड़ा. और कौस्तव सर से मुझे देख के याद आ रहा है अभी एसर्ट का जो इवेंट था तो AI का मतलब सर ने हमें बताया पार्टनर्स के लिए विच इज आती हुई इनकम. एम आई राइट सर? तो ये बात हमें हमेशा याद रहना चाहिए. AI PC आया है, इनकम आएगी अभी सबकी. I'll move to Vikrant sir that AI PC आपका मार्केट में ऑलरेडी है. हमें न्यूज़ सबसे पहले आती है जब आप लॉन्च करते हैं. Lenovo का तो बहुत बड़ा लॉन्च अभी दिल्ली में हुआ था AI PC का, तो we were part of that. So how the AI PC is already with the AMD which is in the market. Can you give a real example how these machines actually help end customers? क्योंकि आप बहुत सारे CTO CIO से interact करते होगे, तो what kind of feedback you get?
Yes, sir, have basically the real-time example, if you can say recent examples, like in the last approximately 6 to 7 months. AMD-based AI PC is adopted, sold by Acer team to designers. Designers who use this PC with their own product development, like the kind of product which they are designing. Like it is you can say it's a startup. In this startup, there are the users, they're having a task to create a product faster. Whatever they will be used, the artificial intelligence based machines, their work like video editing, multiple tasks. The time which they use earlier the normal PC, that cut down to the 40% approximately, which is being a huge money saving. Time is money, everybody's talk about. If a user, if a startup which is having a limited people, if they will make their life easy with the AI PC, if their work become faster, I think it will help a lot. Even though in this sector, I've seen a larger growth in this. Apart of that, if another example I have taken about the student. If you see in the recent time in a student sector, the student using AI PC in a multiple way. Create their literature, the project thought, everything. They're utilizing AI PC. They are using AI applications and convert this in a thought process multiple times. So student is using maximum level in AI applications. And it will be definitely help them to build their learnings. They are learning, they are future of a industry. They will build the nation. In this thought, I think student segment is utilize AI very strongly. So if you're seeing that multiple levels, the school or colleges start adopting the AI-based machines. This is a different story. And I think we having a multiple product which is being connected to the commercial level also and consumer level also, which is being targeted and improve the penetration of the AI-based machines.
You trust very valid point. Okay, commercial side we are already seeing the kind of productivity, but the future of our India, which is students,
It's a trend.
they are using AI machines, and now we'll see more innovation, more apps, and more development in
Lot of
terms.
colleges, if you've seen that there is a lot of demand of the AI-based machines start coming. Lot of project I've seen that in a multiple level in terms of notebook also and AIOs also AI-based. Acer having AIO in AI-based with AMD platform.
Right, great to know about this, and I'll just move to Kalpesh sir. We know that how Lenovo is doing well, and with the AMD, working with the AMD. So, आपको कैसा लगता है? आपने इतने सारे लोगों से बात करी होगी, उनको मशीन चला गया, फिर महीने 2 महीने बाद फीडबैक लिया कि कैसे प्रोडक्टिविटी चेंज हुई. कोई रियल केस एग्जांपल शेयर करेंगे क्या पार्टनर्स को?
Definitely. So, like both of them mentioned, AI is no more a buzzword. So, it is actually touching our daily lives, both professional and personal. Let me give you a very common example. Video calls. We all even after this COVID, it has become a very common thing of video calls. So what does AI do? It cuts out your background noise. It blurs your messy room. It actually even provide live captions and translation. So, and this is all without the dependency on the internet bandwidth.
And bilingual, any language.
Yeah, any language. So when you are having the global calls and all, it's really helpful. So when this is all on your local machine, that helps to keep your things secure and have smooth meetings and private meetings. This is one small example of our daily lives. Let's say on the creative side, if you edit images or make videos or designs, these AI or locally, what does it do? If you want to remove an object from the image and render 3D scenes, it just happens in jiffy. The things which used to take a long time now happens almost instantly. So these are the two examples I give. Let's take one more example of we everyday work on long documents, right? What does AI do? If you want the summary of the reports, if you want key points from some reports or some documents, it will help you in seconds. So AI actually saves time from all this busy work so that you can focus on the important stuff. So these are the things which we have shown to the customers, and majorly I know one customer personally, like they have given us feedback on the video calls wherein their work was more on the global calls where the translation was happening, and they were very sensitive about their data. So they didn't want this data to be put on cloud. So that's how the deployment was done, and the feedback was really positive.
That's great to know about, because, you interact after selling the machine, you interact and get the feedbacks. और सबसे ज़्यादा आसान तो आप लोगों का हुआ है, क्योंकि आपके PPTs बन गए हैं और आपको मतलब सेल्स पे ज़्यादा फोकस हो रहा है, ज़्यादा वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नहीं हो रहा है. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, you can say that.
Absolutely. Great to know. So I'll just move to about, the partners are here. We all want to know the opportunities because what AMD is bringing. So the Indian PC market, especially AI PC, is just set to grow double digit by 2027. For our Mumbai partners here, who are some of the most, great partner in the country, what sectors do you think are the biggest gold miners? BFSI, healthcare, education, or even the starting scene. So from you.
So precisely you mentioned about Mumbai partners, okay, which is the financial hub, okay, and this is one segment which is digitizing the fastest, okay, which depends on digitization, okay, and when you digitize, you need analysis, you need to run the data immediately. So I would say BFSI is the first one, okay. Second, I would say are startups also. The reason behind that is startups, they start very nimble or very small on some small infrastructure, and then they grow very fast. Okay, and that's what is required. So you need all these kind of customers are there for us. I would say that. I would also say education is one, but if you these are some segments which will grow and which will require AI PCs anyways. But from my end, if you ask me to give a tip to my partners, you said I would say don't sell hardware. you try to solve customers' problem. Okay, when you do that, you build trust. Okay, that's what everybody's trying to do, and that's how it will be. So that's a tip from my end for the Mumbai partners.
That's obviously now we all know that and these are the कोई भी मार्केट है सब में ग्रोथ हो रहा है बट ये कुछ मार्केट है जहाँ पे ज़्यादा ग्रोथ और हमें ज़्यादा नज़र रखने की ज़रूरत है विकांत सर आपका क्या टिप्स रहेगा
I think fintech, we can say the financial institutions like BFSI, banking sector, financial sector, I think the growth in that segment is highest because in this segment they handle the data very large manner. Their data cannot be managed by the normal PC. The kind of challenges they have, I think, in that sector, the AI adoption is a real opportunity for the entire partner fraternity. If they will start positioning there and focus there, because there is a lot of banking sector is available in Pune, Mumbai also. There is a lot of companies, UBS, multiple companies is being there, who is being a banking sector, who is being utilizing a hardware, and they are managing large base of data. If they will be start focusing on those clients and attack them in terms of creative business, I think this is the largest. Apart of that, there is a student segment is another larger opportunity. It is my education sector, there is another opportunity. School colleges, all the school colleges start adopting. All the school colleges, if you see in the hardwares, normally 3 or 4 years, they will be go to refresh on the hardware because the OS are also changing, the technology is also changing. AI is another adoption will be in the education sector, where is a school and colleges is another sector. If you start positioning there in AI adoption, it's another opportunity. So education is another second largest opportunity after the BFSI. It is my thought.
कल्पेश सर आपने तो मतलब जो सेक्टर्स हैं वो काफ़ी क्लोज से देखा है आपने और ऑल इंडिया आपने इन चीज़ों को देखा है नॉट ओनली द मुंबई मार्केट तो आपका क्या एडवाइस रहेगा पार्टनर्स के लिए टू वाउच ऑन विच सेक्टर्स दे कैन
Like Ashish and Vikrant mentioned, I think BFSI is the biggest opportunity. It's a no-brainer. Like they are already experimenting on AI, on fraud detection, on risk analysis. So they are already using it. Healthcare is catching fast. They are using it to analyze the patient data, to diagnose images. So all these two sectors, I think, are the most emerging ones. Apart from this, how can we forget the startup ecosystems? So in the Mumbai and the Pune belt, there are a lot of AI-first companies which are coming up who are solely working on the AI models. So these can't be ignored. And I think very fast they would need powerful AI PCs. And this is a big opportunity. So apart from all these three, I think BFSI and startup ecosystem is the biggest bet in Mumbai and the Pune belt, which I feel.
So this is about the Mumbai and Pune market, the entire this reason where we are in the fintech capital, what we can say. But healthcare, you talked, healthcare is booming. Like we have seen a lot of reports where hospitals are using AI PCs for some of the jobs which you might be knowing and better, sir. So healthcare is also you can think of. Now, before I, move to the rapid fire because we have to conclude the discussion in a limited time to have a award ceremony further. So from the reverse side, Kalpesh sir, you tell me your top 3 products from Lenovo which you want to highlight here.
So ThinkPad, I don't think anyone needs any introduction. It's a 30-year plus product. ThinkPad is our flagship commercial product. ThinkPad, we sell T series and X series, which are AI ready machines. And very soon we will come with E series, which will be based on AMD CPUs. So these are the top 3 products I would like to talk.
I know list will go on.
And that's the best part for us. Again, it's a moment of pride for us because we have so many platforms now available with so many partners, okay? So that's why I mentioned, okay, we are available at every price range, okay? So you, whichever SKU or whichever platform you want to use from a partner, we are available there. So it's for the same for the partners as well and for the customers as well.
Right. So you're the soul, I said earlier also. Vikrant sir, what will be your top 3 products?
If you think that Acer is the largest connector in the desktop and AIOs as of now, in a desktop we have a AIA-based desktop is readily available. It is available as per the customer need. Any config which you require with the AI CPUs of AMD, we can create that product. Acer biggest strength is that in a desktop category, whatever configuration a customer asks, Acer factory can manufacture as per the need of the customer. So we are built to the customer as per their need. So we are open in that fashion. Apart of that, Acer have launched the largest, I think we have correct the largest AI-based AIO sold in one of the segment. I don't want to be name of the customer, but larger number AMD-based AIO is also available with Acer initially. We have, even though launching the first in India AI-based servers with AMD-based servers also introduced in Indian market. We are having a multiple level in a notebook category. Acer have launched the Travelite series AI-based machines. Now TL44 is going to be launched in this month. It is also been ready now.
That's great to know that few products are already there and few are coming up. और बहुत ही pipeline में तो होगा वो आप very confidentially you can't share, but I'm sure that बहुत ही सही time आने वाला है sir.
So we are having a very big. I would not get it, but just a glimpse of it. So it is the largest deal globally. Okay, that we've closed with Acer. So it's AMD and Acer. It's a very pride moment for us. Everybody will come to know.
So clap तो बनता है कोई बड़ी deal close हुई है.
I will say not just buddy, it is globally buddy deal.
Globally buddy deal. So that's great to know about this platform. I'll just move to rapid fire, sir. Quickly answer करना है. I'll start with Kalpesh, sir. If not tech, which industry would you be in?
Travel. So
Travel.
Who would not want to explore the world and get paid for it?
Oh, great. I know whom you all know Kalpesh, sir. So is he right? Yeah, he travels a lot, That's great. Sir, you?
Automobile. Okay. Automobile.
Okay, automobile. So you love your car and all.
I love to.
Okay. आशीष सर आपका?
मैं definitely food में ही रहता, because what's on the food में रहता, something to do with food, I would surely be there.
Restaurant.
Okay, yeah. I'm always inquisitive to what's on my plate, so okay. I would have been.
That's good thing. ये चीज़ तो सर खाना तो something है. We all are doing everything for खाने पीने के लिए तो चलना ही चाहिए सर. And Kalpesh sir, first gadget you bought with your own money. पापा ने gift किया वो नहीं?
It was a Walkman, and it used to feel like a world's coolest gadget that time.
वो हमारे टाइम का Apple था शायद.
Motorola Mobile.
Okay. कौन से सन की बात है सर ये?
I think
96?
it is
99.
close to 2011 something.
Okay. That's great. सर आप?
मैंने भी मोबाइल ली, बट मेरा एक नोकिया था 5110. I still remember it.
इसमें स्नेक गेम होता था वही वाला क्या सर?
बस
वही गेम होता था. That's great. हम पुरानी यादें ताजा कर रहे हैं and so nice of you answering these all. Sir, Mumbai in one word.
Energy. You just saw it, right?
Yes.
Ganpati Bappa.
Oh yeah.
See the energy.
That's really right. Sir, you.
Unstoppable. I think रुकती नहीं है मुंबई, चलती ही रहती है. इसे कोई रोक नहीं सकता.
Correct. This is true fact about Mumbai. Sir, what would you say?
Same energy. It is never the same across the country. You will never find such energetic city. So
Correct, that's
it
true.
never sleeps.
Right, sir. And sir, tea, coffee, or cutting chai?
Cutting chai, sir. हम वही से आए.
Cutting chai. This is one of the good one. Sir, you?
Cutting chai. It's
Cutting
a
chai.
real fuel of Mumbai.
Sir, you?
Tapri wala cutting chai, especially
Oh, wow.
during the rains.
Great, sir. So चाय में जो मजा है वो भी कटिंग चाय में वो कहाँ आता है कॉफी में जो चाय लवर्स है वो जानते हैं सर.
इसके बिना कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता
Correct.
मुंबई के लिए.
Right, sir. Sir, if Bollywood had to be your brand ambassador, sir, आपसे शुरू करूँगा. Which actor did you pick?
अभी एक्टर मैं पिक करता, मतलब दिस इज एक्चुअली माय मार्केटिंग टीम. आई एम नॉट सपोज्ड टू, बट आई सो इवन इफ आई हैड टू,
You
आई
have
थिंक
that power.
today's thing, शाहरुख खान.
Yes.
Okay,
That's
because
great.
everybody
क्योंकि वहाँ भी
will-
नंबर 1 है, यहाँ भी नंबर 1 होना चाहिए
Exactly.
खान किंग खान का. Right.
Exactly.
Sir, विक्रांत सर आप?
Hrithik Roshan. He was one of the time Acer engaged with them. I think that was the brand ambassador who built brand Acer in India.
Okay.
We have a great pleasure with them. I think great working with them. I think they have supported brand Acer strongly.
Good, sir. Sir, आप?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh ho.
The legends, huh?
Timeless.
Great, sir. So, sir, AIPC in one word. One word.
Game changer.
Okay. You, sir?
Revolution.
Revolution. Aap?
It's going to change the, I agree, game changer. It's going to change the way we live and work.
So it's really a jadoo, I guess, na? Jadoo to kar diya isne hum pe. That's great. Which is tougher, negotiating with the customers or family on weekends?
For everybody to do with the family itself.
I am sure everyone in the room will also have the same answer.
सबके पास family होगा और
फैमिली
कुछ
के
नहीं
अलावा
होगा।
आंसर हो नहीं सकता इसका.
Great. So answer हमें पता था इसका. One city outside Mumbai, that's the next IT growth hub, which you can say.
See, Bangalore obviously is the Silicon Valley of India, so it will continue to grow. That's what I feel.
I think the Hyderabad is being a one city which is growing very fast in terms of IT revolution. I think
it will be Ahmedabad in future. It's quietly coming up, and where where IT meets entrepreneurship and khakra.
Great. This is for you only. Okay. So one word that defines AMD's growth in India. इतने numbers की आपने बात करी है, but कोई एक शब्द जो सूट कर रहा है.
I would say relentless. That is always on the move, always changing. That's what I would say.
That's a fact today. To Acer, AIPC for you is evaluation or revolution?
revolution,
Revolution.
no doubt about it.
Great. And to Lenovo, the biggest untapped market in India for PCs which you are eyeing?
I think it's B and C class cities. They are the real emerging markets in India, and especially after the broadband coming up, I think those are the ones who will grow multifold.
Right. Sir, AMD को अगर one biggest advantage channel partner should pitch for जब वो आगे जाते हैं for AMD powered machine, what could be that?
For AMD power machine, it is obviously the performance. Okay, it is the power efficiency that we drive, and the availability at every price point. Again, the affordability.
Right.
So these are the basic things that everybody should carry with them.
Right. Sir, one line message to आप लोगों की तरफ से Acer और Lenovo की तरफ से एक छोटा मैसेज एक दो लाइन आप कर सकते हैं, क्या होगा वो?
Regarding what?
About the Mumbai partners, your brand.
So,
I think not to sell box, sell solution. That is the only thought coming always in my mind, because we are the community which always sell the product boxes. But today the era come when if you start improve your productivity or profitability, I think we have to come out from the box and start focusing on the solutions and positioning on the bundling.
Sir, आप?
So, I think Mumbai never sleeps, neither do our channel partners. So thank you for powering our growth. It is one of the top markets for us. And it used to be a challenge a few quarters back or few years back now, but Mumbai has become one of the largest market for us in the entire country. And we continue to dominate here on the market share. So thank you so much.
That's great. But I have two more rapid fire because after that we'll be concluding this session, which is one tech trend you think is overhyped. Ashish sir.
Tech trend, I would say what comes to my mind is maybe blockchain, because something that is I have not seen in real life usage yet. So it is one thing, either I have not understood it very well, but yes, blockchain is one that I feel that.
Sometimes it feels that blockchain is something very, very important, but कभी-कभी गायब भी हो जाता है, फिर आता है. Like this. Sir, what about you?
Nothing has come in my mind as of now on this.
Okay.
But
आपको क्रिप्टो समझता है क्या? That is one thing which I also don't understand. So that is one overhyped thing.
I don't think it's overhyped. People have made a lot of money.
They would have, but I don't know.
Great, sir. Great.
I feel it's meta.
I think,
So AR, VR
Meta-
a few years back
Yeah.
made a lot of buzz, same as AI, but it was it disappeared suddenly, right? We never hear about it. It keeps coming back, like we heard
the glass
about.
now.
I think Metaverse is being something.
glasses.
Now a glass.
It keeps coming back
Coming.
after a gap, but I think it's very overhyped in last few years.
लास्ट थिंग अबाउट फेवरेट वर्क डे स्ट्रेस, मुझे पता है कितना आपके ऊपर प्रेशर है, दैट आई कैन फील. वो क्या है? म्यूजिक, नेटफ्लिक्स, जिम या कुछ और करते हैं आप?
बेसिकली म्यूजिक ही करते हैं हम. रिटर्न में रहते हैं. एंड बाकी दैट्स द बेसिक stress buster, I think, for everybody. You know, when you return back from your day's work, you know, most of people here are obviously traveling in cars or their own private vehicles. But you know, it's music that keeps playing on the phone. Yeah, it's a stress buster for me.
Great. So, sir, for you?
First is the music, another is the long drive. I have a lot of passion to go in a long drive of the 2,000 kilometer, 3,000 kilometer by road. It's my always in a year, always one time, approximately 10 to 15 days, I take an annual leave, go for a long drive to create all the
So all the stress at one go. You release it at one go.
साल का पूरा स्ट्रेस 15 दिन में निकाल के आ रहे
And
हैं.
then again, 15 दिन के बाद वापस charged, full charged.
ग्रेट सर, कितना लंबा आगे निकले?
I have run approximately 2,800 kilometer based at
One
from
stretch,
Bangalore to Lucknow.
Oh,
Approximately 3 or 4 times I have drive. Bangalore to Gujarat last year, New Year, I have traveled by road. This year, I'm going to Bangalore to Rajasthan. It is in December. I'll be definitely go for.
that's great.
That's
by
great. So, sir, आपका?
For me, long drive is like what he said. It used to be a few years back, but recently I have done a drive of close to 2,000 kilometers plus in Scotland. And that was just, that
So
was
long
the
drive
last one.
internationally.
So that is not the stress buster. The stress buster is music. So once you put the headphones on, music on, world is off. So that's
I'll
the
be
best
having
thing.
discussion with you. I'll be tried.
Sure.
That's good. So with this, you know, I'm sure that, you know, you enjoyed this session, knowledge plus fun, and they were very true to answer few things, I am sure. So please clap for them for their honest answers. So thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
being
Thank
part
you.
of this session.
Thank you.
Thank you so much all of you. It was really amazing and insightful. वैसे मैं एक बात तो बता सकती हूँ कि चाहे कोई भी इवेंट हो, चाहे कोई भी पैनल डिस्कशन हो, आज हमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात पता चली है सर से स्पेशली, दैट AI इज़ नॉट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, इज़ आती हुई इनकम. तो एक बार इनके लिए तालियां हो जानी चाहिए. व्हाट
Copyright with Kaustav, sir.
अच्छा, Kaustav sir, okay. What a wonderful invention, sir, I must say. Artificial intelligence कुछ है ही नहीं. It's all about आती हुई income. आज से हम यही याद रखेंगे. Thank you so much, all of you. Now I would like to request Rajiv sir to please felicitate our panelists one by one. Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, and the first panelist here we have is Mr. Ashish Sawant. वैसे उन्होंने कहा कटिंग चाय, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कटिंग चाय के साथ वड़ा पाव भी होना चाहिए, राइट? व्हाट डू यू से? ओके, कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी. All right, next I would like to call forward Mr. Vikrant Gupta. And in this panel, last name is Mr. Kalpesh Chande. Thank you so much.